The basic function of housing is for people to lead comfortable and healthy lives. However, the recent global trends in housing tend to put an emphasis on saving energy, leading to buildings becoming more airtight. Therefore, it is becoming increasingly difficult to eliminate polluted indoor air. For this reason, there is a higher risk of being exposed to allergens such as mites, mold, and toxic chemical substances, and there are more cases of problems resulting from indoor health hazards. To avoid such health hazards, a ventilation system that promotes elimination of polluted air from inside has to be installed. In Japan, for example, the Building Standards Act stipulates that the required ventilation rate is 30 square meters per person per an hour for a healthy, comfortable life. Sahala Sick House Busters is a new type of 24-hour ventilation system based on the concept from window to window. The system can provide the ventilation volume necessary for the health of occupants by replacing the polluted indoor air with outside air every 2 hours, without the requirement to open windows. This revolutionary ventilation system that moves air from window to window, using each room's windows, solves the problems that come with conventional ventilation systems that requires making penetrations in the wall. This approach maintains the negative pressure condition inside the room with an air supply inlet and a continuous ventilation fan, thus continuously introduces fresh outside air and eliminating polluted inside air. As the pressure difference between inside and outside should be kept above 9.8 PA, we can undertake ventilation calculations and will suggest a ventilation plan that is suitable for each building. Features of the ventilation system are as follows. As the system does not require penetrations in the wall, there is no issue with breaks in insulation or water and air leakage control layers. No risk of mold in the duct, as this is a ductless system with easy maintenance. It saves on installation costs since it can be installed along with the windows. Filter is equipped as standard, and it filters approximately 70% of dust and pollen from outside. Even though the window fan has a large capacity, its monthly operating cost is only approximately $3. So despite being used 24 hours a day, it does help to keep electricity consumption down. The fresh air supply intake can open and shut automatically, as this excellent product can detect ambient temperature and automatically adjust the volume of air intake. This keeps to a minimum the heat loss caused by ventilation in the winter, thus greatly contributing to saving energy. We have also developed the Air Supply Inlet SCW for curtain wall use in environments such as office buildings, hotels, and large commercial and residential projects. One key feature of this Air Supply Inlet SCW is that even if installed on the upper floors, it is not affected by rain and wind. It is very safe, as it does not require the opening of windows. It is expected to save energy by reducing annual air conditioning load, as natural ventilation utilizes cool nighttime air. It keeps down the noise from outside. Sahala Company Limited has a head office in Iwate Prefecture, Japan, and sales offices in Tokyo, Osaka, and Shanghai, and a branch factory in Shiga Prefecture, Western Japan. Sahala are a major window ventilation manufacturer with #1 market share, having 90% share in air supply inlets. The majority of our business is OEM supply of aluminum ventilation products for building material use to major housing manufacturers and window frame manufacturers. We are a professional group well regarded in the ventilation technology field, conducting research and development into 24-hour ventilation systems, suit the local climate, including locations with high temperature and high humidity, improving the quality of housing and at the same time promoting the well-being of residents.